Hi, welcome back to Air Engine Research once again. I don't have a whole lot to show other than I just wanted to let you know that I finally got my bearings in. The rotor for the 6-cylinder is in, and this is the old rotor for the 3-cylinder. Engine. This is the new designed rotor for the 3-cylinder, which will convert it to a 6-cylinder. This is the cam for the old, or for the 6-cylinder, which rubbed and pushed on the valve stems. This is the new rotor, which has bearings for both the intake and the exhaust. So they will no longer rub, and I think it'll be much better. I just basically wanted to show you what the new design looked like and how it would go in. This is just got 4 bearings on it. This is the exhaust, this is the intake. As it rotates, this is the intake, this is the exhaust. And it just fits down in between the bearings like so. I don't have everything put together yet, but it'll come up pretty soon, and I'll be able to show you some of it then. But for now, let's see, I just basically wanted to let you see what it was looking like. This one has a bearing on the top and a bearing on the bottom, and it just slips down inside down in there. So and each one of the valve stems right in, and the bearing, as it rotates, that's what pushes and pulls the intake and the exhaust valves, which I think is going to be a lot better. It doesn't rub, so it'll be much smoother, I think. I haven't really assembled anything. I've got quite a bit of work to do to put everything together, and there's not much sense trying to make a video while I'm doing that, because it takes a lot of time and me messing around to get it right. So after I get them put together, I'll make a video the first time that I try to run them and see what that looks like. I may have to do some timing adjustments, which won't take too much time, but we'll see how they run when I get them together. Thanks for checking in again, and if you're interested in what I'm doing, please subscribe. Be sure you check the little bell up at the top there to be notified. And as always, everybody says, if you like what I'm doing, please give me a like. If you don't, you know what to do. So for now, I guess I'll go back to work.